Hi, I'm Jess from RUFFLY, and thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of the woven yoga mat strap.
We want you to live extraordinary together with your dog every day. That's why RUFFLY builds ethical outdoor dog gear that does good, goes everywhere, and looks amazing. Your RUFFLY gear is leather-free, color-fast, and made by skilled women artisans and tailors in small home workshops here in the Guatemalan highlands.
The soft but durable hand-woven cotton strap is naturally dyed, color-fast, and richly textured against your neck and shoulder. Indigenous Guatemalan artisans weave the plush cotton fabric on large looms using traditional techniques that involve the hands and feet. The vivid colors of the cotton threads are dyed with chemical-free natural dyes made from plants and organic matter. The cotton exterior covers a sturdy nylon webbing interior with reinforced stitching. The woven yoga mat strap features a double D-ring loop closure on both ends. This prevents the strap from loosening and allowing the mat to unroll. The looped ends accommodate any size yoga mat, and the strap measures 32 inches or 82 centimeters when fully extended. Wear this beautiful natural strap over a shoulder, cross your body, or attach the D-rings to a bag or backpack. Thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of the woven yoga mat strap. If you have any questions about colors, sizing, or anything else, feel free to reach out to us through our Contact Us page or through our live chat app at GoRuffly.com. And of course, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.